Hey, what's up, guys? Mixbox Zombie. We're rolling hard on the squad commander. You guys ready? It's daylight, but I think this is a day salute. So we'll see. It is. It should be a day salute. It says shooting flaming balls and reports. So ready to go. Here we go. Two by fours, I think. All right, and here we go, guys. We open the package so we can see what's up. All right, Mixbox Zombie. Pause it up. Here we go. Oh, okay. Alright, here we go. Here we go, guys. Thor, go over there. Damn. That shit was banging. Banging. Smoking. Damn, I gotta be careful before it pops.